Thank you to the Active brand for sending me these coffee cleaning pods for single cup machines or Keurig type machines so I could try them out and show you what they do. They come in 12 in a pack, so it's good for a whole year. You put it in just like you're making a cup of coffee, and this is good for a single cup machine or a Keurig type machine that makes 1 cup. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to help remove oil and buildup and residue in your machine so you can have a great tasting cup of coffee. I'm running it through my machine, which I'm sure is very dirty, and you put the pod in just like you're making a cup of coffee. So the pods look like regular coffee pods, and you just put your water in and start running it through. And we can wait and see what comes out and how dirty it is. So there it goes. It's being cleaned. I can see some amount of dirt coming out. So your machine is hiding buildup, oil, and residue that should be cleaned every month. And after I finish with the pod, I'm going to run some more clean water when it's done and go through it one more time. So it looks like it was probably holding a lot of residue and oil in there. I poured what came out in a clear glass so you can see what was in that coffee pot. So remember, it's not the coffee, it's the machine that's making your coffee not as great as it could be. So these cleaning pods are easy to use and just a fabulous way to make sure that you have a nice, fresh, clean cup of coffee every day.